Ring, 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 ring. Oh my God. Wala na akong block. Wala na akong block. Ito. Tako. Found it. I can feel my heartbeat running around. Loud and clear is coming away. Did you hear that boom, 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 boom? Hey, get this super dick. Boom, 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 hey. Wala na akong black. Wah, wah, wah. Kunyari, design ko na lang yung ano niya. Wala na kasi akong black. Last na tong black. Oh, wala na. Wala nang black. Dedesign ko na lang ng white. Dedesign ko na lang ng white. Dedesignin ko na lang ng white. Ubos na yung white ko. Ay, ubos na yung black ko. Kunyari, may ribbon siya. Kunyari. Ano ba yan? Nasisira. Ano ba to? Nasisira. Siwa. Nasisira. Ano ba to? Naiinis na ako. Ang hirap pa naman. Ano ba? Ano ba to? Nasisira. Ano ba yan? Nasisira. Nasisira. Ting 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 ting. Sira. Lagyan ko na lang ng white. Sira eh.
Tapa mo na ano lang.
Sira.
Tapa mo na.
Sira. Natin ng white. Lagyan na lang natin ng white siya. Para kunyari design lang yan. Paano to gawin? Gusto ko ng ice cream. Look at my milk. Mabigat na yung alikadya ko! Yay, baby. Gusto ko hanggang dito sa leeg niya. Bubuksan ko to ng Pasko o New Year. New Year. Matagal pa kasi yung New Year. Kaya ang bigat. Madami akong nilalagay dyan. Didesign ko na ang buhok ni Kuromi. Am I not? Is the camera open? Paano ulam?
Ang bahat daw nag.
Nuggets. 4 nuggets ko ah. I wish the camera. Ayun na, dinesign ko na si Karami. Okay na si Karami, guys. Rate this 1 to 10. I really did this so hard. This is the one that I said I need to make. Oh no. Designed. Well, well, well. Okay, I finished. This is the one that I had to design, and also right here, right there, like seriously, right there. This is the one that I used. I promise I wasn't doing that because I put something in there like this. I don't know what is this, but comment down below if you know. Anyways, so yeah, here's the final result. Comment down below, is it cute? Rate it from 1 to 10. And comment down below who's your favorite character from Sanrio. My favorite character is Maya Melody, Hello Kitty, and Cinnamoroll, but I chose Kuromi because Ate likes Kuromi, and Kuromi is only the main character that wears black, and that's Mario. They are literally perfect couple. So here's Kuromi. She has some, I don't know what it is, and this, but they look like food, so she's eating. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can get 14 million subscribers. So I hope you enjoy this video, and comment down below what is your favorite character. Bye guys.